Facebook edit action button option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, make sure that your Facebook application is updated to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store and search for Facebook application. Make sure it's updated. Now since my app is updated, I don't have the option of update, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the Facebook application. So make sure you're logged in into the account, then tap on the profile and then tap on your profile again. So this is my personal account, so let me show you. So tap on three dotted lines here. You cannot see the option of edit action button. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch to our business page. So we're just gonna switch here and then tap on the profile over here at the top right corner of the screen. Now as I tap on that, we're going to tap on our profile again. Not the settings, but the profile needs to be tapped. And then tap on three dotted lines over here as well. And here you can see the edit action button. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.